Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the 1996 Replica football shirt from Nike and the Nigerian Football Association in a green and white colorway. These released in late December 2025 for the retail price of £85 here in the UK. It comes wrapped in white paper in a clear plastic bag, but we're not here for the packaging, so let's get right into the shirt. This reissue shirt features the signature colors, logos and vintage details that pay homage to the 1996 Super Eagles, the Summer Olympic world champions who beat Brazil and Argentina on the way to first place. Putting now legends like Okocha, Kanu and Babiara on a global stage, which helped reshape how the world saw African football forever. Sizing wise, I'll stay true to size. I'm wearing a size medium. It has a nice retro relaxed fit, unlike the more slim fitted football jerseys of recent times. It has a regular length with a loose elasticated sleeve cuff. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment champions to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your predictions for the African Cup of Nations. Do you think Nigeria can finally bring it home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.